Hey traders! Today, we're diving into a crucial aspect of trading, identifying market structure. Take a look at this chart. It appears choppy and confusing, making it tough to see the direction price is moving. But, hold on. By understanding market structure, we can gain clarity. So, what is market structure? It's essentially the roadmap of price movement, revealing trends, retracements, and potential turning points. But the struggle is real. Many traders find it challenging to draw accurate market structure and identify key swing points, especially in real time. Here's the problem: even with trend indicators, you can still face losses. Often, these indicators miss ranging markets where price moves sideways instead of trending. Introducing a solution: the 1-2-3 Trend Continuation Pattern Indicator. This handy tool automatically draws market structure and plots potential take profit and stop loss levels right on your chart. See the difference? Adding this indicator instantly clarifies the price action, allowing you to visualize the trend and potential entry and exit points. Bonus: the indicator even lets you customize your risk to reward ratio for better trade management. Stay tuned. In the next part, we'll dive deeper into the 1-2-3 indicators and see how it helps you navigate the market with confidence. Before we add the indicator, let me share an important tip, especially for new traders or those struggling to make a profit. If you find trading challenging, consider using AI Signals by Fastbull. Their track record showcases the profits and losses made weekly, giving you a transparent view of their performance. Fastbull also offers an economic calendar, indicating the impact of news events as positive or negative, along with the expected level of impact. This information is invaluable for trading, helping you make informed decisions based on market sentiment. The best part? All these resources are free. Check out the link in the description to join now and take advantage of these valuable tools to enhance your trading strategy. Alright everyone, head over to the indicator search bar on your trading platform and type in 1-2-3 Trend Continuation Pattern. Look for the indicator created by the developer Thiago Schmitz and add it to your chart. Now, let's explore the settings this indicator offers. Click on the gear icon to open the settings menu. Here, we have three key options. Take Profit Multiplier. This controls the distance between your stop loss and take profit levels. By default, it's set to 0.5. Notice how the indicator generates potential entries with a negative risk to reward ratio. This means you potentially need to win more trades just to break even. High and low length. This setting determines how the indicator identifies market structure. Currently, it's set to 5, meaning the indicator considers the 5 candles before and after a swing high and low to confirm it. Take a look at the chart. You can see the swing points marked by the indicator, each with at least 5 candles on either side. This allows you to filter for specific trade signals, like bullish or bearish trades. We'll keep it on the default setting. For now, the only adjustment we'll make is to the take profit multiplier. Let's change it to 1.5 to achieve a more balanced risk to reward ratio of 1.5 to 1. Remember, these settings can be adjusted based on your individual strategy and risk preferences. Up next, we'll dive deeper into how this indicator helps you identify potential trade opportunities. Alright everyone, let's combine the 1-2-3 Trend Continuation Pattern with another tool. First, search for the Smooth Heikin-Ashi indicator by Jack and add it to your chart. Change both lengths to 100 in the settings. Now, switch back to the 1-2-3 indicator and ensure the take profit is set to 1.5. Here's the strategy. Identify the long-term trend using the Smooth Heikin-Ashi, green candles, bullish trend, look for bullish 1-2-3 signals. Red candles, bearish trend, look for bearish 1-2-3 signals. Filter for clear market structure, avoid 1-2-3 signals between swing points, which might indicate consolidation. Examples. Buy trade, 1-hour time frame. Long-term bullish trend, green Heikin-Ashi candles. 1-2-3 indicator shows a buy signal with clear market structure, not between swing points. Execute the trade with a stop loss at the indicated level and a take profit above the signal. Sell trade. Long-term bearish trend, red Heikin-Ashi candles. 1-2-3 indicator shows a sell signal with clear market structure. Execute the trade with a stop loss at the indicated level and a take profit below the signal. Remember, combine analysis tools, don't solely rely on the 1-2-3 indicator. Adjust take profits, consider using support and resistance levels to refine your take profit targets. Manage risk, use proper stop loss placement and consider adjusting take profits if necessary. Additional tips: dynamic take profits, consider adjusting your take profit levels based on market conditions. We hope this video helped you understand how the 1-2-3 trend continuation pattern indicator can simplify your analysis. And don't forget to use Fastbull website. All these free resources, you can gain a competitive edge with market impact news delivered 5 seconds in advance. Check out the link in the description to join now, and take advantage of these valuable tools to enhance your trading strategy. Stay tuned for more educational content.